Welcome to the Course Care self-training video series for Enhanced InSite, creating and attaching a rubric. This training video will demonstrate the process of creating a rubric, importing and exporting rubrics, and attaching a rubric to a paper assignment. Rubrics may be used to evaluate student work based on defined criteria and scales. Once a rubric scorecard is created, you may also share it with other instructors using Enhanced InSite. To build a rubric, you'll navigate to the Rubric Manager area of the Libraries tab. There are three types of rubrics to choose from. The standard rubric type allows you to enter scale values and criteria percentages. The maximum value for the standard rubric will be the same as the highest scale value entered. Click on the percentage icon at the bottom of the Rubric Manager to use the standard rubric. A custom rubric type allows you to enter any value directly into rubric cells. The maximum value for the custom rubric will be the sum of the highest value entered in each of the criteria rows. Click the pencil icon at the bottom of the Rubric Manager to use the custom rubric. Lastly, the qualitative rubric type allows you to create a rubric that has no numeric scoring. You'll click on the 0 icon at the bottom of the Rubric Manager to use the qualitative rubric. We'll create an example of a standard rubric. To begin, from the rubric list icon, select Create New Rubric. Enter the rubric name into the title field at the top of the rubric. To edit the name, description, or percentage value for criterion, click directly on the title, description, or percentage value to open the text field box. Enter the appropriate information and click Enter. Place your cursor over top of the criterion to reveal the trash can icon should you need to delete the criterion. To add additional rows of criterion, click the plus icon next to the criteria header. You'll follow the same process for entering the scale titles and values. To add additional scale values, click on the plus icon next to Scales. As with the criterion, place your cursor over top of a scale value to reveal the trash can icon should you need to delete that scale. To enter descriptions into each rubric cell, click on the cell and enter your description. Click outside of the text field to enter your information. Once you have completed the rubric, be sure to click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the page. You may also choose to share this rubric with other instructors. To do so, click the Import/Export icon in the top right corner of the Rubric Manager. Click Export to export a copy of your rubric to share with other instructors, or click Import to import a rubric that's been shared with you. You can attach a rubric to a paper assignment one of two ways. The recommended method is to attach the rubric while creating a paper assignment. For more information on this process, see the Creating a Paper Assignment Self-Training video. You can also attach a rubric within the grade mark area of the paper. To do so, let's navigate to the Assignments tab and navigate to a paper assignment. Launch grade mark for a specific assignment. In the bottom right corner of the page, select the rubric scorecard icon. And to attach a rubric, select the wrench icon on the right side of the page. Select the rubric list icon and choose the rubric that you would like to attach to this paper assignment. And click the link icon to attach the rubric. That rubric is now attached to every submission for this particular paper assignment. You can click the icon on the left side of the rubric area to view the rubric in full size. To score the paper using the rubric, simply click into the rubric cell for each criterion where the student scored. To use the rubric score for the overall paper grade, select Apply Rubric Percentage to Grade. That score now appears in the top right corner of the page in the Score field. Thank you for reviewing this training video. For additional resources, please visit the Enhanced InSite Course Care page. Resources include live and archived online training seminars, self-training videos, user documentation, and first day of class resources for students.